Now with 3 branches I'll get my lost branch that has been deleted by mistake. So we have 3 commands. The very first, git reflog. The second one that we have is git log online. The third one, welcome back everyone to this session. Myself Akram from MentorX Academy, and in this particular session, we are going to understand about how to deal with the lost branches. So either you are a junior developer, or either you are a senior developer, or either you are a manager. We face this particular issue generally when coming back to dealing with branches. So we have multiple branches that we work into, and while pushing your code to GitHub or while using the Git tool, we face issue of the branches been getting deleted by mistake. So it's not about the that Git is bad. So it's about the we people who doesn't know how to use Git, or you don't know about much information about Git functions. Now here I have you can see my particular you can say application here, and in this I'm working. This is a React application that I'm working in, and I do have around 5 branches into my application. You can just have a look at this particular GitHub repository. I do have 4 branches, and I do have the main branch available here. So we don't delete the branches intentionally. What happens is, okay, we delete it by mistake, or sometimes by deleting we think let us we need to get the branch back. So here in that case, okay, I'm in particular this particular application, and I just wanted to push the you can say application into I just want to push my changes to my GitHub repository. So I am working in the login branch, or you can say the feature branch, okay, where I'm just working with the login code. So this is the React application here. I have the React login page code available, all done, completely fine. So I just want to go ahead and push this one into my GitHub repository. So what I do is I just go quickly here. I just say git branch branch hyphen a. Now what happens here is, okay, by just by giving this command, you get all the branches that is available to you in your GitHub in your Git. So we do have 5 branches, and I just want to switch to my login branch so that I can push my code there. Okay, so I just give the command here: checkout, git checkout, uh, feature, the branch name feature, login page. Now what happens here? So what I'm doing is I'm just switching myself onto the main branch, okay, so that I want to push it. Right. So once this has been done, I just want to see if everything has been done. I just say git add hyphen dot, git add dot, get commit hyphen m, and I just say login changes. Right. So once this has been done, I just say here git push, right, and origin, or you can say git push, done. So I would need to just set out the branch. I would say origin feature login page. Now what happens is I have pushed my repository. I have just pushed my changes to my repository. So all done, everything working fine, everything all done. So I just want to switch back to my main repository, and I just want to see if everything is fine or not. So I just go back here, git checkout 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 main. So here I'm just going to my main repository. I'm into a main repository, and you can see here a main repository is completely different, which have only its changes that is there. Now, what happens is by mistake while dealing with the repositories, or you can say while dealing with anything you want, or let us say you might not want any of the branch. What happens? We just run the command here. Let us say git branch and hyphen d so we just go ahead and delete this hyphen d is a flag which deletes a branch. So I just say the branch name feature login page login page. Now what happens here? Now once I press enter, you can see here I have just now like deleted the complete feature login page. Now this is around 3 days of work done, and this is like all gone. It's completely gone out there. Now what happens here is we get exhausted and we get lost. Like, how will I recover this one? Everything is lost. I just deleted my branch. If you just go back ahead here and just give this command, git branch here, you can see here I do have only 4 branches available here. On remote, I do have 5 branches. So that's fine. But on uh, this particular here, this particular path, we do have only 4 branches. So now, how do you get this back? To get this back, we have a command here called as git reflog. Now, what is this git reflog? Let me understand. Let me make you understand this. You can just have we have complete information about everything happening on this git. You can say application, right? So I just press Q because you can just have a look at we have these 2 mark and the uh, cursor here. I just press Q button to exit. Now let me explain you what is this git reflog. So assume a git reflog, okay, with an analogy of you can say analogy, right, of camera CCTV. Now we do have CCTV camera installed everywhere. What happens here? This CCTV camera not only records who are working, okay, it also records everything that is there. The office premises, the office, okay, anyone working, anyone sitting idle, or whatever you are doing, any activity that you perform, okay, that has been recorded by the CCTV camera. The same way, in Git we have something called as Git reflog. Git reflog. Reflog. Now what happens with this? Now this Git reflog is a tool which keeps a history recorded of every single thing what is happening on your Git, right? So this keeps the history of what has been committed. Okay, this keeps the history of whatever has been committed on the Git, whatever the branches switches, whatever the branches you have deleted. Whenever you do a reset hard, rebase, merge, right, cherry pick, or whenever you pop out a stash. So whatever you do, everything is been recorded on on Git, okay, using the Git reflog tool. So this reflog tool is like a CCTV camera for you. CCTV camera for you, right? Now you can just have a look at this particular boxes here that we have. These are nothing but the informations, or you can say these are nothing but the histories, okay, which the reflog keeps out there, right? Now what we will be doing is we will be using the same Git reflog tool, right, to get the branch back whatever has been deleted. Now you can just have a look at this particular scenario here. I do have my VS Code open, and you can see here I have this particular history available out there, which where all the records have been stored. Now with 3 branches, I'll get my lost branch that has been deleted by mistake. So we have 3 commands. The very first, git reflog. The second one that we have is git log online. The third one, now we are going to give the command git reflog, and you can see here I see the complete list of whatever the branches can say uh, activities that has been performed here, and you just have a look at the we don't have the current branch now. I just say here git branch hyphen a. You do have a look at there. I do have the 4 branches, but I don't have my login branch. Okay, so I just need that login page branch to be back, right? So now what you can do is you can just run this command to get that particular branch back. But before that, okay, make sure that you have this particular commit id available with you. You can just have a look at that. Okay, I mean this particular id, what you need to have it with you. So what I would just go ahead and do is I just give the command checkout git checkout hyphen b. That is, I want to define a branch. I would say feature slash login page, and then I would copy this particular ID and paste it here. Why I'm just defining this particular part is that I want that particular branch to be back. Once I press enter, you can just have a look at the switch to a new branch, and this time when I give the command git branch A, you can see I do have my login branch back. So this way you can get your branches back once deleted. Now what you can do is you can run a command here, git log double hyphen online, or not online, one line. Okay, so that will give you the complete information. Just have a look at that. All right, we have this particular thing available now. See here, we have the login page command available, and you can see in this particular, I mean, in this, what does this command do? What does this command do is this gives you the logs of what all happened. We have 4 commits of this uh, branch available. It is just showing. So this way you can just go ahead, okay, and retrieve your lost branches whenever you delete it by mistakes. Now in the next video we're going to understand how do we merge the videos. Sorry, in the next video, in the next session, we are going to understand how do you merge all the branches from main. So stay tuned for that. Until then.